Welcome to the introductory video of our comprehensive online course on ChatGPT. In this course, we will guide you through all important aspects of using ChatGPT effectively. This course is designed to help you to get most out of this powerful language model. Let's have a look on the topics covered in this course. The first is sign-up process. You will see how easy and quick is the signing up process. Then we will move towards one of the fascinating aspects of ChatGPT, which is its capability to adapt to different tones and styles. In this course we will show you how to change the tone of your conversation with the language model. Whether you want a professional, friendly, or even humorous tone, we will show you the techniques to achieve the desired effect. Next, we will dive into the world of prompts. We will start with the basics, teaching you how to craft effective prompts that yield accurate and meaningful response. You will learn the art of asking the right questions and providing context to guide the model responses. And then we will explore more advanced techniques to fine-tune your prompts for even better results. By the end of the course, we will share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your ChatGPT experience. After completing this course, you will have a deep understanding of ChatGPT capabilities and be equipped with skills to leverage its power effectively. So, are you ready to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT? Enroll now and embark on this exciting learning journey with us. If you already joined the course, let's get started.